Hello, guys. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today, we're going to learn how to invite teammates to your Wix Studio workspace. Here's how you can do it. On your Wix Studio workspace, go to Team on the left. Click Invite Teammates. And over here, input the email of the person you wish to invite to your workspace. Next, set up their roles and site access. Select which site this specific teammate can access. Click on Manage Access here, and then select the websites or the website you'd like to have them access to. Then click on Save Access. Next, select the role for your teammate. You can select from preset ones over here, or you can add a custom role if needed. Once you're done, click on Send Invite, and an email will be sent to them informing them that they've been invited. Take note that they need to confirm the invitation within the expiration period given. Otherwise, the invite will expire and you'll have to invite them again. That's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.